When it comes to window replacement, Glendale, Arizona, finding the right window contractor is crucial for ensuring quality and longevity. Our team specializes in energy-efficient windows, offering a wide range of options including vinyl windows and double-pane windows. Whether you're looking for residential window services or commercial window services, we provide comprehensive solutions tailored to your needs. Our window installation Glendale, Arizona services are designed to enhance your property's aesthetic appeal while improving energy efficiency. Energy-efficient windows are a must-have for homeowners in Glendale, Arizona, where temperatures can soar. These windows help reduce energy costs by minimizing heat transfer, keeping your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. Our energy-efficient windows Glendale options include advanced glazing techniques and superior window sealing to ensure maximum performance. By choosing energy-efficient windows, you not only save on utility bills but also contribute to a greener environment. Vinyl windows are a popular choice for homeowners in Glendale, AZ, due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. Our vinyl window installation Glendale services offer a variety of styles and colors to match your home's design. Vinyl windows are resistant to warping, peeling, and fading, making them an excellent long-term investment. With our expert window fitting Glendale, Arizona team, you can enjoy the benefits of vinyl windows without the hassle of frequent upkeep. Double-pane windows are an excellent choice for those seeking to improve their home's comfort and reduce noise pollution. These window replacement Glendale feature 2 layers of glass with an insulating layer of gas in between, providing superior thermal performance. Our double-pane windows Glendale services ensure precise installation for optimal results. By choosing double-pane windows, you can enjoy a quieter, more comfortable living environment, while also boosting your home's energy efficiency. For homeowners seeking a personalized touch, custom windows offer the perfect solution. Our custom windows, Glendale AZ services allow you to design windows that fit your unique style and space requirements. Whether you need specific window measurements or a particular window design, our team is here to help. With our window consultation Glendale, Arizona services, you can explore various options and create the perfect custom windows for your home. Custom windows, Glendale AZ are perfect for homeowners who want to add a personal touch to their homes. Our window design, Glendale AZ services, allow you to choose from a variety of window styles. Glendale, Arizona, ensuring that your windows complement your home's architecture. With our window measurement Glendale and window consultation Glendale, Arizona services, we guarantee a perfect fit and finish for your custom windows. Window replacement. Glendale, Arizona is essential for maintaining the integrity and appearance of your windows. Our team offers comprehensive window maintenance Glendale AZ, including window sealing Glendale and window hardware Glendale AZ services. Regular window inspection. Glendale AZ can prevent costly replacements and extend the life of your windows, ensuring they remain in top condition year-round. Window upgrade Glendale services are ideal for homeowners looking to improve their property's value and curb appeal. Our window contractor Glendale AZ can assist with a variety of upgrades, from window tinting Glendale, Arizona to window glazing. These enhancements not only improve the look of your home but also offer additional benefits such as increased privacy and UV protection.